Hello, students. I hope you are fine. I am your language coach and an IELTS trainer. My name is Rehan, and today we are going to start a series of lessons related to IELTS speaking. Let's have a quick review on what we are going to learn today. We are going to discuss a cue card, describe an exciting sport you know. At first, we will have a look at some useful vocabulary related to this topic of sports. And after that, we will look at the language of sports in which we will use different phrases to talk about this topic at length. We will also discuss some idiomatic expressions related to sports. After that, we will get some ideas how to talk about different sports under this cue card. In the last, we will discuss a sample answer to talk about an exciting sport so that you will get an idea how to talk on this cue card. So let's start with useful vocabulary related to sports. Collocations. Collocations are basically group of words which are joined together to form different meanings. For example, team sports, extreme sport, competitive sport, outdoor sport. General vocabulary related to this cue card. Nerve wracking. Nerve wracking means something very difficult to do and causing an anxiety. Strolling means to have a relaxed walk on a beach. Exhilarating means something which is causing excitement. And rival means group of people competing together for the same purpose. While discussing the language of sports, I will have a brief explanation on the vocabulary you are watching for the first time. In the fourth sentence, we are using break into to change an activity from strolling on the beach to jogging. Squeezed it in. Number 5. It means sparing time for some kind of sports. Number 7. Athletic means physically fit. Number 9. On the edge of their seats. It means very excited. Idiomatic expressions for sport. Here you can watch the meaning which I have written in front of the idioms, and you can have the idea how to use these idioms in this topic of exciting sports. Now we're going to discuss how to talk about different sports under this cue card. We can talk about a sport like running, and we can use a verb go for these type of sports. For example, I go running, I go climbing, and I go jogging. For individual sports like yoga, boxing, weightlifting, and extreme sports like water rafting and rock climbing, we can use the verb do. For example, I do yoga, I do water rafting, and I do rock climbing, etc. For team and individual sports with a ball, you can use the word play for these kind of sports. For example, I play football, I play basketball, and I play golf. In the end, I am going to discuss a sample answer to talk about an exciting sport. So let's start our sample answer. Well, the team sport which I am going to discuss today is a game of cricket which you can play with a ball and with a bat. It's 11 a side game, and what you have to do, you have to defend your score to win this game of cricket. I know this game since childhood when I had a whale of a time watching this with my family in the stadium, and I was also a captain of my local team, and I played some fantastic knocks to win it for my team. This game really requires a lot of skills, such as batting, bowling, fielding, catching, stretching, and you have to be patient to play this game. And if you are not passionate enough and you are not having patience, then this game is not for you. What you have to do, you have to push yourself to the limit to win this game. And if you really want to jump at the chance, then you have to play with a game plan. This game is exciting because of a number of reasons, and one of the main reasons which I'm going to discuss is that it can help you to have an escape from the mundane routine of daily life. And secondly, you can say that you can have a sense of belonging. It can help you to grow socially and financially, and you can express your emotions in the stadium like a theater. These are some things which can make this game of cricket a lot more exciting. And one other thing which I would discuss, that if it's a nail biter, or if the game is very close and both the team have an equal chances to win the game, so this match can have you on the edge of your seats. I think that we have to play this game in order to keep fit, and not only we can remain fit while playing this kind of game, but we can also grow ourselves financially, socially. We can learn how to be patient in difficult times. Thank you.